Hello, everybody, and welcome again to this vending machine. The music is very loud, but we'll manage. You just see the car if you can't hear me. Hummer EV, Ford GT, Porsche 935 with the nice gold wheels. Koenigsegg Chimera, funny name. Audi e-tron, Ford Mustang, the Alpha again. The Alpha seems to be a back warmer. We've seen this a lot. Ford Focus, AMG GT in green, another Mustang in nice Hot Wheels livery. BMW R8 Spider, Mazda RX-7, Mazda Repu, and we have a a Volvo. This one is not so nice, that's why I didn't buy it. But now it's in front, so it's very tempting. A three-wheel motorcycle, Corvette Stingray, Pagani, Honda City, Nova Gazza, Ford GT, Mercedes AMG, a red SVT Lightning, and this Golf car, muscle car is very nice. Chevrolet Silverado, a Latro car, AMC Rebel, the Dice car, London Taxi, the Dune Buggy. So, yeah, Volvo it is. So this is the Volvo that I have bought. I'm not going to do a review or unboxing. This is a very old news. I just want it in my collection. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.